Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in tips and tricks video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will try to show you how we can find out pipe schedule or pipe size or pipe thickness very fastly and effectively by using software. Normally we are used for pipe schedule or pipe size ASME B36.10M or 19M 2004. I think maybe can have the latest version also, but normally we use B36.10M. But if we want to search this piping thickness or piping schedule by codebook, it's need the time. Nowadays very simple, we can get so many software from online. If you go your Play Store and you search the pipe data, you can get the so many software is there. You can download from there and you can use on software to find out piping schedule. Today I am using on software, this name is pipe data. So I will show you in this video tutorial how we can find out piping schedule very fastly by using this software. Let's start. Then I will go to the first insert this software pipe data. So I go to the software insert. So here showing the so many option here: flanges, fittings, gasket, valves, line blanks, pipe. So many option is there. So I will show you today pipe schedule how to find out. For that reason I will select the pipe. So I go to the pipe inside. Then we can see here the one showing. For example, before also I tell you, and this software is prepared as per ASME B36.10M or 19M 2004 version. So for example, I try to find out 6 inches pipe 40 schedule is 40. What is the UD and what is the ID and what is the thickness? So how we can find out? So here you can see the one option is size. So we change the size. So from here we can change our desired size. So I select here 6 inches. So pipe size is 6 inches and schedule I want the 40. So I select the 40. So size is 6 inches and schedule is 40. So what is the UD? So UD is 116.3 mm and ID, the inner diameter is 154.08 mm and pipe thickness is 7.11 mm. So I hope you understand how we can find out this data from this software. And one more things is the additional information is 6 inches pipe schedule 40 pipe information weight. This pipe weight per meter 28.26 kg and weight full with water. If we fill up with water this pipe, then we can see this water weight is 46.89 kg per meter. So this information also you can get from this software. We will try another size. For example, we try in the 36 inches. So I will show you one more thing is here 36 inches but schedule double axis. So if you go to the schedule double axis, then we can get the more than 12 inches. So we can say as per ASME they are not allowing to manufacture any pipe more than 12 inches is double axis. So for example, I want to check the 10 inches pipe double axis schedule or any other your desired schedule you can select from here. So I select the double axis. So what is the pipe thickness? So 10 inches pipe in double axis is the schedule. Then we can find the 25.4 mm is the thickness. Then 273 is the UD outer diameter and inner diameter is 220.2 mm. Then I hope you understand how we can find out this information. Then I will highlight to one more things. You can see this figure below is ASME B36.10M slash 19.M 2018. So this version is they are following this calculating is 2018 version. So like this many software you can find from in your Play Store. You can download and you can try. So today up to here. So I want to close this video tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.